I would like to briefly talk about what is going to be on your test on Thursday. So, I don't have a review sheet for you, so this is a review, but you kind of have a review sheet for you, but not quite. Now, what we just checked was the answers to the series and parallel problems. You are going to have a sheet of paper that's going to have 2 columns in it. And over here, I'm going to give you a voltage, and I'm going to give you a resistance, and I'm going to give you a resistance. And over here, I'm going to say these are connected in series, and I'm going to give you the identical voltage, the identical resistance, and the identical resistance, and I'm going to say over here they are hooked up in parallel. And I'm going to ask you what is the effective resistance. And I'm going to ask you what is the voltage drop across each resistor. And I'm going to say what's the current traveling through each resistor. And so if you did that worksheet rather than just copy those answers down, then you actually know how to do these parts. I'm also going to ask you to draw them. So in the series one, you'll draw your little battery, and you'll have a resistor, and you'll have another resistor. And in the parallel, you'll have your little battery, and you'll have a resistor in parallel with another. So you draw them like that. Yay, pretty, pretty. Then you're going to have another page, and the other page is going to look similar to this one in that it's going to have 2 columns. It's just going to be on the back of the other one. But over here, we're going to have vocabulary, which is going to be multiple guess. And over here, we're going to have some problems. Now, how do you know which vocabulary and which problems to work on? Well, these are going to be taken straight off of this. And since the last unit that we covered was electricity, basically if you start from the back and you go up until you run out of electricity problems, and you start at the bottom of the vocabulary and go up until you run out of vocabulary that corresponds with electricity, then you know what to do. So basically all you have to do is take that final exam review sheet and study that part, and everybody should dominate. So this is your last chance to boost that grade before I devastate it on the final exam. So this test should take 20 minutes on Thursday. Super simple. Right? Okay. That's it.